Hi, this is Karen McNall, and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today I'm going to give you a tip on organizing your clear blocks. Today's Saturday, June 2nd, and I had a little bit of time, so I wanted to go visit some yard sales. So I found this wooden tray. It's awesome. I've been looking for a way to store my blocks. I just had them in a regular shoebox, plastic one, and it wasn't that sturdy. This thing is, it's great. It's solid wood. It's 11.5 inches this way, and I think it was 18 or 19 inches, no, 20 inches long. So it fits all of my blocks, and as you can see, they're not all Stampin' Up blocks, but I am starting to transition all of my blocks that I bought a different place to Stampin' Up because I found that the Stampin' Up blocks are so much better. And in class, people, especially beginner stampers, they find that these bigger blocks work better and handle better than a smaller one. Let me just show you a comparison here. This is one, I believe it's a Recollections, and this is the Stampin' Up, and this is the D block. So every block on Stampin' Up has the letters on it for the size in the catalog. So it's much easier to handle. So I am slowly transitioning all of my blocks over, but I do need all of these for classes. So I'm slowly getting my inventory up to speed. And how I do that is whenever I place an order with Stampin' Up as a demonstrator, I do add a block onto my order so it's not so overwhelming. So I wanted to also give you some tips on how to clean your blocks. So I have a towel. I just use a regular towel, and the two things that I use, you can just use water at sometimes, but I also use hand sanitizer. It's got alcohol in it, so any hand sanitizer will do. I have found that it does not affect the blocks whatsoever. And also, sometimes it's really hard to get the glue off if you adhere your red rubber stamps to your blocks with adhesive. It's hard to get that off. So I have bought this Surgical Spirit. You cannot buy this in the United States. You can only buy it, it comes from overseas, and I will give you a link in the description box. I found it on Amazon, and this is awesome. Not only did it clean my blocks really well, it helps the red rubber stamps stay on your clear blocks. And also, let me bring in my silicone mat. This is clean. Oh my gosh, you should have seen it before. It had glue on it, stuck on, and nothing was getting it clean. So I decided I was going to take the Surgical Spirit, and bam, it's like spotless. I can't believe it. So I'm so super happy about this being clean. So just another find with the Surgical Spirit. So let me bring in my catalog here. You can find the blocks on page 206 of the 2018-19 annual Stampin' Up catalog. And what I do is, I haven't really actually highlighted all of these. The ones I do not have any of the G's, and I do not have any of the I's. So those are my next two ones that I'll be purchasing. But I always like to throw in one of these little ones, and I find like E's a really good size as well. So those are the ones that I suggest. You can also order the bundle, and it is item number 118491. So it's a clear block bundle. It includes one of every size, A through I, and it's $71.50 in the catalog. So I just wanted to give you a tip on my organization. For further information, you can go to my blog, inspiredbygraham.com, and I'll have a little bit more information with pictures of the tray and a little bit a close-up of the Surgical Spirit and hand sanitizer that I use. So I hope you learned something new, a little organization for you today. For all your Stampin' needs, please visit my website at inspiredbygram.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.